What is up? What's going on, everybody? What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Want to review with you guys a project called PawChain. PawChain is a project that I've been looking into for a little while now, kind of been sitting in the back, just kind of observing what they're doing and how they're rolling things out. But definitely want to give you guys a 1,000 foot overview today of what Paw Swap is and some of the things that they have going on over there because they are definitely moving things forward over there in a very, very fast, very, very productive way. So what is Paw Chain, guys? We are here on their website right here at Paw Chain. The link will be in the description box. It's a step into decentralization. It says embrace decentralization's multi chain realm, uniting industries globally um, as we bridge traditional and crypto worlds seamlessly. So this is kind of what they're doing is they're bridging the traditional business sector along with the crypto sector and putting them and bridging the gap between the two. So no, nice statement here. Also, as you can see here, you have documents and a white paper link right here. So definitely dig into that white paper, give that a read, and dig into the details of what Paul Chain has going on. But we'll just kind of continue on here. All right, so here's some stats on Paul Chain directly from the website. Looks like they're doing 141 million in volume. They have 20 plus utilities and they have 80 plus developers working on their project and right around 10K holders, which is a lot of holders, which is a great thing. And then we have some exchanges that they're listed on, which we'll get into here in a little while. And then we have Paul Paul Prince to DeFi's future on a white paper. Another link to the white paper here. I highly suggest that you guys, if you guys are thinking about investing in a Paul chain, that you go ahead, you dig right into that white paper, you read it all. There's a lot of stuff going on there, a lot of interesting stuff going on there that you're gonna want to know. Um, Paul chain, the multi-chain manifesto, guys. So here's where you kind of get into their blockchain. It's a multi-chain. From what I understand, they're gonna have a couple different blockchains running to really make this thing happen. In which we'll dig into. We'll dig more into this on a separate video, where we really get into blockchain development for Paul and what they really have going on over there. But definitely going to have more than one blockchain. I believe they're coming out with a layer two to start, which is already in testing, or may already be out, or getting close to being out. It's getting close to being out. You know, Paul. So Paul feels Paul's chain core. It's going to operate as core utilities. It's going to link all utilities seamlessly within their ecosystem, and every chain obviously will be supported. And this is where you get into that interoperability piece, which is so important moving forward. That blockchains that are built today are interoperable. That's the wave of the future. That's where we're headed. If you want to be successful as a blockchain, you have to be interoperable. And of course, you can click on the link here to learn more and to go ahead and take a look at some of their documentation as well. You just go ahead and click on them buttons, do some more research, dig deep into what they have. And then coming down the page here, we have Paul Merchant. It says here, um, revolutionizing payments with Paul Merchant. This is obviously, like a credit card type of deal, but it looks like they're also going to roll out a merchant stuff for stores and stuff like a merchant, but definitely a credit card for peer to peer payments using Paul, being able to make transactions and stuff on a card, and Paul, the Paul token, or and soon to be, the Paul coin, soon to be token, once everything is rolled out here. It will be the centerpiece of that. So great future innovation there. where you're going to actually have a payment solution. The Paw Swap, guys, this is a big, huge thing in the Paw ecosystem. When we're talking about the Paw Swap, we're talking about not only a regular swap here, but you're going to be able to exchange cryptos. You're also going to be able to stake Paw here, and so definitely definitely a little bit bigger challenge here than just a regular swap. It's there's a little bit more going on here, um, and also they're going to have some uh, some Paul some Paul holders um, f- for generating decentralization, things like that. We're gonna have a DAO, but right here, what we're really looking at is staking and swapping, all in a Paul swap, which is a little bit more robust than just your average everyday swap. So definitely a lot going on here, and this is actually up. You see a button here that says Enter Paw Swap. You have some documentation pieces there, and obviously some learn more if you want to really dive in, which I think you should. This website so well laid out, guys, with the buttons and the learn mores under each one. You're really not searching for anything, so definitely well laid out. It says democracy, the democracy and decentralization, guys. This is obviously the DAO, right? This is the DAO, where if you own Paw, you can come on in here, join the DAO, get voted. You can vote on things, and have a say in how the Paw chain actually moves forward, which is actually a great thing because this is how you can govern, right? This is how you can govern. Um, and then a Paul Club embracing the digital frontier. From what I got out of this, this is a place where people can meet, they can talk, they can come together, they can embrace ideas, they can um, do maybe some transactions amongst themselves in a good in this goods marketplace, things like that. But definitely just a club where people can run ideas off of each other, really meet, really interact with each other. So definitely a great thing anytime you can have a socialized club, and people can kind of come together on ideas. You have the Paul Academy, obviously, is a crypto blockchain academy here as well. Um, so, and then you have featured on, and here's some of the exchanges that they're on. As you guys can see, L Bank, um, and you got Gate.io. We'll get into some of these as we go to CoinMarketCap, and then obviously their socials over down here at the bottom. So that's a quick review of their website, guys. Quick overview. Like I said, we didn't dive into too many details, but we will in more videos to come. So we'll head on over to CoinMarketCap here in a second. So now we're over here at CoinMarketCap, and let's look at where we can actually buy Paw, right? We can buy it on Uniswap, we can buy it on Gate.io, we can buy it on BitGet, MEXC, L Bank, Shiba Swap, and we can buy it on Nova Dex, the Bitmart, Bit. Bit4x, Coin, CoinEx. Second page here. Let's see what we got going on over here. On the second page, and we got looks like we got BitTrue, Open Ocean, and I never heard of this one. Vit Videx. So looks like we have Videx. So Paw Swap is Paw is definitely available in a wide range of places, centralized and decentralized platforms. Definitely can get your hands on some Paw if you want to. If you find that you want to get involved in this project, you can go decentralized side or centralized side. Definitely a lot of places to pick up this project. Coming on over here to their X page, guys. I always want to say Twitter, but their X page looks like they're sitting at 23.5K followers. Big community, guys. Big community here. And what you want to see here when you're looking at the social medias, is you want to make sure that they're active. You want to make sure that the team's out here posting, keeping the community updated on what's going on with the project. And the community also is engaging in the project as well. And you can definitely see that from this X page that they are definitely engaged both on both sides of that. The Paw team along with the community are definitely engaging on this page. Actually, their last pin tweet here was November 11th. So right, right today, right, or yesterday, depending on when you're watching this. And then you have one from here from November 10th. So definitely they are engaged. In another one from the 10th. So you can see flicking down through here that they definitely have a lot of members following them. Hopefully potential holders following them, hopefully holders. And it looks like they do. A lot of these guys are holders because you have 10 plus K holders. And then you have 23.5K followers. So definitely a good ratio there, but definitely are active on social media here, as you guys can see from their X page. So good sign there. And over here on Dex Tools, taking a look at what everybody loves is price action, right? So it looks like they're sitting at 701,104 right now. As the recording of this video, we are going to look on a day chart, guys. You guys know I like the day charts. I don't like to look at them 15-minute charts or anything like that. They're just they're just misleading. But let's go ahead and look and see how they're performing on a day, right? Looks like they had a nice run up here, pretty big run up, and then obviously there's some profit taken after a big run up. You always have to have some profit taking. You always have to have some consolidation, and it looks like that's what they were going through here. Looks like they had some profit taking here. They had a couple days of trading sideways, went back and took off again, and then had obviously a sell off here. A couple days of consolidation as well, and it looks like they're on their way coming out of that this second layer of consolidation and on their way back up. Definitely looks like a healthy chart. Definitely had a huge run up. So this is expected. Everything that's going on up in here is expected after a big huge run up like this. Got people taking profits. So definitely expected there. We went over their volume. Their market cap is 4.74 million. And it looks like their liquidity on DEX is 633 K. So not a bad market cap to liquidity ratio. Not too bad. It was reasonable. Believe you me, we've seen a lot worse. But this one's actually not bad at all. Circulating supply looks like they got 429 trillion in circulating supply, so not too bad. And like we looked at before, as far as holders go, 9.47K. So definitely right around that 10K mark. And remember, DEX does not include the holders that you have on exchanges, so this number is probably way higher than that. And DEX does not include your 24-hour trading volume from the CEXs, so definitely bigger trading volume than that going on. This is just on the DeFi side, so so not bad at all. The numbers look good, the stats look good, the charts look good. The project is definitely moving forward. The project is definitely getting ready to take off. Development is definitely coming around for them. Big huge strides they're making over there in the Paw community. Like I said, I've been watching this thing for a little while, just kind of staying back and watching it and listening to what's going on. But definitely a great project. Definitely have a lot going on over there, and definitely a lot of development going on over there, guys. A lot of innovative different type of development. And these are the projects that we like to bring to you guys here, is these projects that aren't doing the same thing over and over again, but actually have something different going on. And these guys definitely have something different going on over here. So we'll be digging into this thing a little bit more as we the weeks go on. But go ahead and give this video a like, give it a share, turn that bell notification on, give me a sub if you want to hear more about Paw and PawChain, and we'll continue to dig a little bit deeper into this project so you guys fully understand it. But go ahead, like, subscribe, share this thing out, and we'll keep these things coming. Everybody have a great day.